are the Bring a Trailer local partners for the San Francisco Bay Area and are excited to present this fabulous 200,000-mile Porsche 993. Last of the air-cooleds, this car is selling at no reserve. The highest bidder is taking it home. A one-owner Northern California car from new, it's been garaged all its life. The owner set out with the specific goal of making it to 200,000 miles. It had a full engine rebuild and clutch replacement at 187,000 miles. Let's take it for a cold start and a quick drive. This is quite a special 1997 Porsche 993 Carrera. It wears its 200,000 miles proudly. As we mentioned, it's a one-owner car that has seen regular service since new and a full engine rebuild and clutch replacement only 13,000 miles ago. Shot in glacier white with that lovely cashmere leather interior, it still turns heads wherever it goes. We have the original window sticker and all service records. It comes with both keys and a valet key. The owner hopes the winning bidder will continue the tradition and drive the heck out of this car. Let's see if somebody can get it to 300,000 miles. Again, this air-cooled beauty is selling at no reserve on Bring a Trailer, so make sure you're there at the end. For more information, please visit us at GenauAutoWerks.com. Thank you very much.